Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your data settings on WhatsApp, just in case you're using too much data and you're going over your bill and stuff like that on WhatsApp. I'll show you guys how to adjust that to try to bring down your data usage on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is just head over to WhatsApp application, and then you just want to go over to your settings in the bottom right. And then if you just go out to data and storage usage, you can click on that there. And then you see here, it gives you a ton of options for photos, audio, videos, and stuff like that. So you can just click on those ones, like for example, videos that would use most of your data. So you just want to ensure that it doesn't say Wi-Fi and cellular. You could just change it to Wi-Fi just to make sure it doesn't use your cellular data when you're looking at videos on WhatsApp. So just make sure that one's on Wi-Fi. Another one I'd like to point out is that you could toggle on low data usage. It will just basically lower the data usage when you're on a call on cellular. So that could be helpful for some people as well that use this to call people. Documents and audio shouldn't be too bad in terms of data usage. Neither should photos. So it's totally up to you if you want to adjust those ones. I've left photos on just because it uses such minimal data. But yeah, this is where you would look at to adjust your data settings on WhatsApp. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.